Okay, we know what is I. I is equals to root minus 1. Clear, isn't it? Good. So then how about root I? So that is what we are going to find it out. Okay, root I எவ்வளோ எப்படி அதை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ I is equals root minus 1 we know that. So therefore I square is equals to minus 1. இதுவும் நம்மளுக்கு தெளிவாக தெரியும். Good. Now from here just take, therefore let root I is equals to a plus ib. Let root I be a complex number, a plus ib. இதில் a என்றது real part, b என்றது imaginary part. Okay, good. So now I just want to remove the root. How can you remove the root? By taking a square on both sides. Taking a square on both sides, you will get root I the whole square is equals to a plus ib the whole square. Okay, yeah. When you are squaring the root, then root and square will be removed. Therefore, you will get only I. Here you just use the formula a plus b the whole square. That is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is the basic. So a square plus 2a, but b in place of b I have ib. So I am going to write it as bi. So since it is a product, we can write it like such a way, plus ib the whole square, isn't it? Since in the place b I am having ib, so I am writing ib the whole square. So I am taking one more step to simplify this. So for a square plus 2abi, I square is minus 1, b square is b the whole square is b square, therefore minus 1 into b square, isn't it? Very good. So see the next step, here we have only I, right? So I can write it as 0 plus 1 into I, which is a proper complex format, general form of a complex number. Here I can take the real parts, that is a square minus b square is the real part, plus 2ab is into I is the imaginary part. Clear? Good. So 0 plus 1 into I is equals to a square minus b square plus 2ab into I. So your a square minus b square is the real part and 0 is the real part. You can equal it. Therefore a square minus b square is equals to 0, and similarly 2ab is equals to 1, equaling the imaginary part. There is a proof already, we know that. So now from the second equation, you take this as the first equation and this as a second equation. From the second equation, you just take the value of b, that is b is equals to 1 divided by 2a, and substitute this b is equals to 1 by 2a in the first equation. The first, see what is going to happen in the first equation. A square is a square minus, in place of b we are just using 1 by 2a the whole square is equals to 0. Clear? Good. Now just square both the numerator and denominator. So what do you get? A square minus 1 square is 1 divided by 2a the whole square is nothing but 4a square equals to 0. Now you take the LCM. What is LCM? 4a square is LCM, denominator is 1. Therefore here denominator is 1, here 4a square, therefore the LCM is 4a square. So you will have a 4a square as LCM. When you are doing the cross multiplication, 4a square into a square is 4a power 4, and here 1 into 1 is 1, therefore it is minus 1 is equals to 0. So what will you do in the next step? 4a square in the பக்கம் போய்டும். So that is a multiplication, right? So 4a power 4 minus 1, 0 into anything is 0, so you just write 0. Okay, ஒரு step நம்ம அங்க reduce பண்ணிட்டோம். So in the next step also I am going to write directly a power 4 is equals to minus 1 அந்த பக்கம் போனா plus 1. Okay, after that I will have only 4 with the a power 4. So that is the multiplication. So I am just bringing it to the denominator. So a power 4 is equals to 1 by 4. Clear? But what I need is a. How can we get a? So இப்போ இதே a square நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுப்போம் இல்லையா? So அதே மாதிரி இப்போ a power 4 நம்ம 4 ல இருந்து a வேணும்னா we have to take the fourth root. Take fourth root on both the side. That means you just multiply the power by 1 by 4. Okay, so that is a power 4 power 1 by 4. This is called a fourth root equals to, so when you are taking the fourth root, that is mean we are converting into the square root, right? So we know that we have to use the plus or minus, because for the plus and minus both we are getting a same answer when you are squaring and when you are taking a, when you are multiplying it 4 times, when you are multiplying it 6 times, the plus value and minus will give us the same answer. Therefore, a power 4 a power 4 the whole power 1 by 4 is equals to 1 plus or minus 1 by 4 the whole power 1 by 4. You got it? Good. So, now here you can easily cancel it, because by using the power rule, a power m the whole power n is equals to a power m into n. So, 4 cancel, therefore, you will get a, you get plus or minus 1 power 1 by 4, 1 power anything is 1, therefore, it is 1 and divided by 4 power 1 by 4. It is actually what? 4 power 1 by 4. In the 1 by 4 numerator kudukano, denominator kudukano, clear. So, numerator kudukumbodhu it is 1 power 1 by 4 is 1. How about 4 power 1 by 4? Instead of writing 4 power 1 by 4, I am going to write it as 2 square power 1 by 4. Now, you see it is in the form of a power m into a power m the whole power n. Therefore, I can cancel 2 and this 4 by 2 times. So, the remaining is a is equals to plus or minus 1 divided by 2 power 1 by 2. This 2 power 1 by 2 is nothing but a is equals to plus or minus 1 divided by root 2. So, the value of a is plus or minus 1 divided by root 2. Now, we have to find the value of b. How can you find the value of b? By substituting the value of a in the equation 2 or in this place. Actually, if you are considering this as 3, we can substitute in 3 also, no problem. So, a oda value plus or minus 1 by root 2 eduthu na b la substitute panna, I will get the, in third equation substitute panna, I will get the value of b. But a oda value ethana irukku, 2 irukku, because plus 1 by root 2 and as well as minus 1 by root 2. So, first take a is equals to, when a is equals to plus 1 by root 2, a is equals to plus 1 by root 2. Check it out, what is b then? B is equals to 1 divided by 2a, that is 1 divided by 2 into 1 by root 2. 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2, that means in 2 is multiple of root 2 into root 2 and root 2. Therefore, when I am cancelling 2, I will get root 2 over there. Therefore, b is equals to 1 by root 2. So, now find when a is equals to minus 1 by root 2, when a is equals to minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, b is equals to 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 by root 2. So, obviously, you know what is the answer. It is nothing but b is equals to minus 1 by root 2. Done. So, when a is equals to 1 by root 2, b is 1 by root 2. When a is equals to minus 1 by root 2, b is equals to minus 1 by root 2. Now, you just have to substitute these values in the general form and then we can complete the answer. So, therefore, root has two representation, that is root I is equals to, taking the a equal to 1 by root 2 and b equal to 1 by root 2. So, therefore, 1 by root 2 plus I divided by 1 by root 2. That is the one answer. The other one is or, which is root I is can be write as minus 1 by root 2 plus I of minus 1 by root 2. These are your answer. Thank you.